What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, it will outline 3 effective strategies to find clients on Upwork, enabling freelancers to potentially earn significant income while working flexible hours. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your freelancing career, these steps will help you attract clients and grow your business on the platform. Creating a standout profile is crucial for attracting clients on Upwork. Here's how to enhance your profile. Use keywords relevant to your skills and expertise. Make it specific to services you offer. Highlight your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Focus on how you can solve potential clients' problems. Include samples of your previous work that demonstrate your capabilities. Use a variety of formats, images, documents, links to display your range. Request reviews from past clients or colleagues to build credibility. Aim for 100% job success scores by delivering quality work. Taking advantage of Upwork's search features can help you find potential clients more efficiently. Use keywords related to your niche to receive notifications for new job posting. Tailor your alerts to specific criteria such as budget and project length. Dedicate time each day to browse for jobs that match your skills. Apply promptly to increase your chances of being hired. Pay attention to job description, client requirements, and budgets. Identify common traits in successful job postings to inform your applications. Building a network can significantly enhance your visibility and client acquisition. Participate in Upwork community forums or social media groups related to your field. Finding clients on Upwork requires a strategic approach focused on optimizing your profile, utilizing search tools, and networking effectively. By following the steps, you can enhance your chances of landing clients and achieving your freelancing income goals. Start implementing the strategies today and watch your client base grow. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.